Nokia in talks to buy Alcatel-Lucent. Nokia is in talks to buy French rival Alcatel-Lucent in a deal that could create a European telecoms equipment group worth over euros 40 billion pounds 29 billion. In a joint announcement, the two companies said there could be no certainty at this stage that the discussions would result in a deal. But a merger for two of the industry's weaker players would be attractive. It comes a year after Nokia sold its struggling handset business to Microsoft. Analysts and investors suggested the deal could face potential opposition from the French government, which has previously said it sees the communications industry as strategic, and is sensitive about any potential job cuts. Shares in Alcatel were nearly 11% higher at €4.28 in mid-morning trading on the Paris Stock Exchange on Tuesday morning. Shares in Nokia fell 6% to €7.25 in Helsinki. Nokia is valued at around euros 29 billion, almost 3 times as much as Alcatel, which had the market capitalization of euros 11 billion based on Monday's closing share price. Some investors expressed skepticism over the merits of the proposed deal. They are two of the weaker players in the industry, said Clarenbiest fund manager Mark Validhu. They could come up with some cost cuts, but just because you combine one weak player with another weak player does not necessarily mean that you will end up with a stronger player. Line analysis. Maurice Alan Jones, technology correspondent. When Nokia sold its mobile phones business to Microsoft, it seemed like a sad end to the story of what had just a few years earlier been Europe's leading technology superpower. But the dull old telecoms equipment business left in Finland has turned out some rather exciting returns for loyal investors, who've seen their shares double in value over the last 2 years. Nokia has cut costs and has even started making new devices, with a tablet aimed at the Chinese market. The merger with Alcatel-Lucent,